Okay, a lot of people talk about having pets on the road and they're not sure if they should or not. If you have pets on the road, it's the same as having a person on the road. You have to take care of them just like a person. It's not a difference, at least not in my opinion. That means that when they're sick, they go to the doctor. You try to keep them in shape. This old boy here spent a lot of time off the road and he got very large. And I got him back in shape, but he still got the diabetes. So every day I've got to check his levels. And it's a pain in the ass. He don't like it, I don't like it, and it's expensive. So that's something to think about before you go and get a dog or a cat or anything else. It's not the best thing to do, and it's hard to check some animals. This one's got thick skin, so it's hard to check it. Luckily he don't mind. Too much. He's supposed to be around 100. He stays within about 150 is where he stays at normally. If I get him too low, he'll go in shock. Oh, well, that one's not any good. Let's try a different one. Hang on, it's not time yet. It's not time to eat yet. Stay. Come here, come here. It's your fault. A little bit up to 200. Hang on. Alright, he's old, he's got arthritis. He gets some baby aspirins every day. His legs hurt him. And that's a twice a day thing. Thanks.